Hello, everybody. Wow, it is. Let me say this. Like it is like snowing like crazy here. Well, well. Do you know, guys, what I can smell? Oh, I can smell something that is something sugar. You know, get that? Like, how funny is that? But anyway, I just want to say stay safe and warm and healthy, y'all. Yeah. This is like a huge one out of all the snow days we had like so far in the Northeast, and it's like super cold out, especially yesterday. Like, yeah. All right, I'm about to shovel, y'all. Takes the key of responsibility, the hard work, and also pays the fun. All right, so all right. Well, once again, stay nice and safe, y'all. And peace out. See you in the next short. Genius Kid 25. Goodbye. I'm sorry. I didn't meant to do that. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Like, best of luck shoveling if you're going outside. Like, doing what you gotta do. All right. Peace out, y'all.